Well, it's supposedly meant to be the last day, but we're in Narita. Had to they booked me for tomorrow. Yeah. What a headache. Stored my other suitcase right next to the place I need to pick up my thing. And then off we go. But yeah, we're off to Narita City. So that's cool. Alright, so this was meant to be my last day in Japan, but my flight got delayed till the next day, so I had to quickly book another hotel for the night. But yeah, just ended up spending the stay in Narita at the hotel, and then I went to the main city center at night time. Did a little bit of shopping. It was a bit far from the hotel, so yeah. The weather was just raining, eh? Or wasn't it? Oh, here we are. Oh, nice view of the roof. Alright, as always, random as videos. I'm like in the middle of Narita and it's raining. My ass is still shopping and I'm going home tomorrow morning. Sheesh. Alright. We're gonna check one more shop. 2nd Street. I doubt I'll buy anything overseas. And we're gonna get back to the hotel. Wish me luck. Let's go. It is the final day in Japan. Final day in Japan. We're in Narita Art Hotel. It's a pretty dope hotel. Don't know about this view though. Flight was cancelled yesterday, so we're leaving today. The weather is just rough. Oh, you can see cherry blossoms down there. But other than that, the weather's been rough. So pretty stoked to be going home. But yeah, let's go. Alright, I wanted to catch these before I go. These didn't bloom while I was here. Yeah, cherry blossoms. Pretty dope. At least we got to see some of it. Not its full glory, but yeah, let's go. So as you can see, this is most likely my last Japan vlog, sadly. And I just want to say, Japan is just amazing. There is one story I kind of want to share on just how reliant the Japanese are, and it actually happened on the same day I departed. So as I was like packing my luggage, right, and I went through customs and all, I had again lost my phone, and it pretty much set me into a panic mode again. So I ended up rushing to the nearest info desk to see if they could help. And without my phone, it made it even harder to translate what I was trying to say. But I was able to get their help, and the only thing I could give them is the last place I left it. But yeah, they were so quick to help. And I kid you not, around 15 minutes later, they found my phone, and they told me they were gonna rush it to me just before I boarded my plane. At that moment, I knew it. I was like, holy dang, Japan is next level, what they say. I mean, I don't know if you saw it in the earlier clip, but you literally see them bowing to us as we depart on our flight, which is so cool. And also the situation with my phone at the hotel, it's the same thing. The hotel staff helped and they got my phone back in like under 10 minutes. It's yeah, Japan is just next level, man. But anyways, we have finally reached the end of my 1 month trip, meaning an end to the Japan vlogs. I loved my trip from start to beginning. And I'd just love to return again, maybe even do a better job at vlogging it. But yeah, thanks to those who followed my journey and these vlogs. And if you reached this far, I hope my vlogs help you get an idea of how it is in Japan from, a first time solo traveler. But yeah. Japan. Well, it's not my first day, but the homies, the bros. Rima, I'm gonna send this to you, and next time.